She just moved to LA, go to UCLA, and she drive a Maserati. Then she got a body, she be tryna party. She be tryna party. She just moved to LA, go to UCLA, and she drive a Maserati. Then she got a body, she be tryna party. She be tryna party.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find you really love someone. Oh, and I do, and I do, and I do, yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find you really love someone. Oh,
she be tryna party. She just moved to LA.
Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First nigga gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Fall so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that those shit phase. Next could go 0 for 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Fall so hard, this shit weird. We ain't even supposed to be here. Fall so hard since we here. It's only right that we be fair. Psycho, I'm libo, go Michael. Take the pick, Jackson, Tyson, Jordan, Game 6.
You can call me late night and I'll be at your door. You can call me anything or anything you want. Just don't call me late.
I walk in the corner with your body screaming good. Never saw the back when looking like Pablo. It's gonna make me feel when I turn into a nut.
Just don't call me up.
Riding my bike like I'm too young to try. Careless and free like it's 2005. Had to chill the fuck out, take a trip outside to have fun with my friends like I'm young and alive.
The taste of your lips, I wanna ride. You're toxic, I'm sipping on the taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? And I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic?
Had to chill the fuck out, take a trip outside to have fun with my friends like I'm young and alive. Like I'm young and alive.
Don't you know that you're toxic?
no one ever was. Catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Keep up your mind to understand and the power that's inside. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. In the world you must defend. I must go true. I'm very from you. You teach me and I'll teach you.
Cool like you, wobbling around in your high heel shoes. I'm clumsy, made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know I bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop, and the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party, can in the club tryna pipe a Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow back then till I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I flow. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I'm a bitch.
I sold my soul to the devil for a designer. They said, go to hell, but I told them I don't want it. If you know me well, then you know that I ain't going, cause I don't wanna die young. Walk through fire for you, just let me adore you. I don't wanna die young. Walk through fire for you, just let me adore you. Like it's the only thing I'll ever do. Like it's the only thing I'll ever do. Oh, honey. Walk through fire for you, just let me adore you.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshin'. We spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo.
You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Why not? A fucking good time, never hurt nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not Bacardi. If you love me, girl, then it's so sorry. I gotta give it to you, let me in on.
A list of mania, think less but tear grow. Like a ride, oh. Not easily offended, know how to let it go. From a mess to the masses, a list of mania, think less but tear grow. Like a ride, oh. Not easily offended, know how to let it go. From a mess to the masses.
I am very, very sneaky, sir.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. And I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. And I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. And I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored.
All the things that I used to say, all the words that got in the way, all the things that I used to know have gone out the window. All the things that she used to bring, all the songs that she used to sing, all the favorite TV shows have gone out the window. Missing you.
You become much higher. So you become much higher. So
You can get much higher.
All the things that I used to say, all the words that got in the way, all the things that I used to know have gone out the window.
When you call my name, it's like a little breath. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. I can feel your power, just like a prayer. You know I'll take you there. Glamorous, yeah. Glamorous, yeah.
Hey, we got a good thing. Don't know if I'ma see you again. But we got a good thing. Cause girl, I can't be your man. No, man, I know it's on your brain. You probably hope it never win. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well, then.
Glamorous, 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 glamorous. Flousy, flousy.
Said Coke 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park after dark, smoke that tumbleweed. As the marijuana burn, we can take our turn singing them dirty rap songs. Stop and hit the ball like Cheech and Chong and sell tapes from here to Hong Kong.
I don't want a Valentine, I just want Valentino. I just want that nigga poker face like a casino. Dito, no, I get it in like a free throw. Shorty wants some more, she think I seen her keep the leak. I don't want a Valentine, I just want Valentino. I just want that nigga poker face like a casino. Dito, no, I get it in like a free throw.
I know someday it'll all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day.
I'm out and all the time. I'm out and all the time.
I ain't been getting high, but maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Girl, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade is coming at me, I'm with double dosing. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh, shit.
It's like I waited my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. 'Cause we only got one night. Double your pleasure, double your fun, and dance forever, 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 forever,
You say yes, I say no. You say stop, but I say go, go, go. Oh no. You say goodbye, but I say hello.
Like the view.
You're my best view.
I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? All myself, we don't need anyone else. Let our bodies do the talking, let our shadows paint the wall. I want you here in my arms, feel hide away in the dark. Stick your hand in my back pocket, go and let your long hair fall. I want you, to myself, to myself. Can you come through? And there's one thing I need from you. Can you come?
I fell in love, same time that you're falling apart. I should've known, thought I saw a sign in the stars, but I was wrong. Fucking with you ain't last that long. Now you gone, now you gone, now you gone, girl.
I chime in with a haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality. I chime in, haven't you people ever heard of closing a goddamn door? No, it's much better to face these kinds of things with a sense of poison rationality.
I need your love, I need your touch, I need you right now, I need you right now.
Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. Pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. You ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a clock. My Glock told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. Better let me go the day you need me. Put me on that nigga, get the bus. And if I ain't enough, go get the chop.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no pussy and show up in them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your blood, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. I just wanna be big rock stars and living hilltop bosses, dropping 50 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star.
The city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me and leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars. It's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home. Am I getting closer to knowing where I belong? The city's gonna break my heart. She's always gonna break her heart. Oh.
So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you were the storm, so before you go.
So keep your love locked down, your love locked down, keeping your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down, your love locked down. Now keep your love locked down, you lose.
So, before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? It kills me how your mind can make you feel so
things my eyes have seen, the best by far is you. If I could fly, then I would know what life looks like from up above and down below. I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you dry. Don't be afraid, Cecilia, I'm the satellite, and you're the sky.
What you say? That you only meant well, well, 'cause you did. What you say?
What you say? What you say?
That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say?
What you say? What you say?
What did she say?
And you're the sky.
I've been giving you hell. Hold tight, you're slowly coming back to life. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. Let go of all your haunted dreams tonight. I've been giving you hell. I've been giving you hell. All my life I've been good, but now I'm thinking, what the hell? All I want is to mess around, and I don't really care about if you love me, if you hate me, you can save me, baby, baby. All my life I've been good, but now, whoa, what the hell?
No, it all seemed to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone. They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Why not? They pay paradise, they put up a parking lot. Hey, 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 pay paradise, put up a parking lot.
Why you always in the mood? Look around like I'm brand new. I ain't gonna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Look around like I'm brand new. I ain't gonna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood?
Who was on crack?
Cause I'll be with you all night. Cause I'll be with you all
So, what's up? I'm wide awake but never sleep. You know, can't close my eyes and wonder, but it's cool. 'Cause I've been looking at you.
It's midnight and I'm wasted, so wasted, I'm wasted. I can't believe I'm calling you up again. I know I might be crazy, so crazy, I'm crazy. I can't believe I'm calling you just to say I'm not okay.
Hold me close and I won't leave. 'Cause it hurts when you hurt somebody. So much to say, but I don't sleep. And I hate that I let you stop me.
I'm not okay. I just got you to say I'm not okay. I just got you to say I'm not okay.
Thinking out loud, I could be broke and keep $1 million out of smile. LOL to the bank, checking my account. Bank teller flirting after checking my account. Pretty ladies like, yeah, drop a butter on your pussy. Couple buddies on the low, you ain't gotta tell your friend that I eat it in the morning.
I'm not okay.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed.
There is no one like me. There is no one like me, like me. Take a second look and you'll see. There is no one like me. There is no one like me, like me. No one like me.
Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed.
If my grandmother had wheels, she would have been a bike.
I feel blessed.
Hate me, still trying to replace me. Chase me, tell me how you hate me. Raise me, wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me.
Take on me. Take on me. Take me on. Take on me. I'll be I'm putting on my shades, cover up my eyes. Looking in my ride, I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. Living like a star, can't stop my shine. I'm flooded to nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. I can fix all those lies. Oh baby, baby, run, but I'm running to you. You won't see me cry. I'm hiding inside. My heart is in pain, but I'm smiling for you.
Ooh, baby, do you know that's right? Ooh. Shout out to my ex, you really quite the man. You made my heart break and then made me who I am. Here's to my ex, hey, look at me now. Well, I'm all the way up, I swear you'll never say whoa.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, all in this. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
I can joke, I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And you see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Like you're everything, you're perfect. 'Cause I'm not just a girl.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter.
'Cause I'm not just a girl.
Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you
I
a
feel like a
killer.
lot of entrepreneurs have it. That fact that you truly just feel different. It's not to be disrespectful towards anyone else, but it honestly feels like you have more inside you than other people have. Like you have that weird gift, that weird potential that you could say, hey, I can do something better than that person can. I don't deserve and I shouldn't be working in that 9-to-5 jobs. I have so much inside that I want to get out. I just don't know how to get it out. And I remember sitting on my college campus bench and the bell rang and every kid was going from class to class, class to class. And there were thousands of kids going from all these different classes. And I sat there on the bench and I just watched them. I sat there and I watched every single student go from different building. And I just thought to myself, when do we learn anything different? If I'm learning the same thing as 15,000 other kids, that means I'm going to have the same result as 15,000 kids.
Makes sense.
And every single kid I know who graduated college complained about their job, wasn't happy with their salary, worked a 9-to-5, had to pay off debt. The only way to truly be successful in life is at some point for you to do something different, for you to stand outside the crowd, for you to say, hey, I don't give a fuck what someone else thinks about me, I'm going to go ahead and do it just because I want to do it.
Yeah, drinking dope, turn me to a superhero, yeah. Hit that pill, turn me to a superhero, yeah. Boom, my 90, turn me to a superhero, yeah. Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch up the flow again, yeah. Fly in the parachute, gripping that pole again, I'm on that all again, yeah. Candy in the cup, gotta get paid, king in the streets, young mage, praying to the crowd, take it to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my is a star. Get rich, better take it to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live right now, getting ready to go. Happy Tuesday, everybody. We got a brand new day ahead. We got a brand new opportunity, brand new trades, brand new markets. The hottest earnings report of the year goes out tonight, and I'm so excited to see what we get. Obviously, we got NVDA. We got to be able to watch the S&P 500 having its first pullback ever. Team, let's see what's about to happen on this day. Obviously, today's a huge day. And also, traders, I got a little surprise for you. I got some money saved up, and I plan on giving it all away to you guys today. Yes, we are going to be having a nice morning full of giveaways and giving back to those who have been watching, viewing, chatting, alerting, everything along those lines. So I want to be able to give back to you guys today, have some fun, get ready for NVDA's earnings. And of course, we do have that Thanksgiving break right on the horizon. That's coming on up here very shortly. So let's talk about this day. Let's dive right in on it. And of course, let's get ready to have some fun. Gonna be a huge day ahead, getting ready for our Thanksgiving break, getting ready for Black Friday, but we do have a few more trades we need to make today, so let's get ready to dive right on in. Traders, good morning to everyone. Good morning here. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are fired up, and I hope you guys are ready to rock and roll. Man, we are back right now. We got a huge day in store for us. And yes, traders, today is a day that I plan on just giving away to you guys. Today is a day that I would like to go over the market, get ready for NVDA's earnings tonight. But I'm going to let every single person know right at this moment, we're probably going to start seeing volume slow down a little bit. We're going to start seeing volume and activity kind of slowly diminish here a little bit. And the reason why that is going to be happening is just because we do have Thanksgiving break right in the horizon. Now, if you guys are not from the United States, we do have this Thursday Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in the United States is one of the bigger holidays here, and a lot of people spend time with family. That's basically what the Thanksgiving is all about, being able to spend time with family and the ones you love. So this is a big travel weekend. It's a big time that people are going to be leaving, the markets and maybe driving to New York, driving to Chicago, driving to grandma's, driving to their aunt and uncles, whatever it may be. But probably after today, you're going to start seeing some volume diminish. This afternoon, I could imagine getting a little bit slower. Tomorrow, I don't expect it to be the hottest day in the world. Then we do have off on Thursday, Black Friday comes, and then we do have off for the weekend as well. So, traders, let's definitely make these last 2 days count. But today, I do want to just kind of give back and say thank you so much to you guys. So are we going to be watching the markets? Of course we're going to be watching the markets. Are we going to be trading the markets? Of course we're going to be trading the markets. But I do want you guys to realize one thing here. Today is a day that I want to be able to set the wheel on up and just basically go bang, 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 bang. Give you guys tons of prizes, gives you guys tons of gifts, just as a thank you from myself over to you guys for being able to support, being able to watch, being able to view. And I want to be a great mentor and not just sit here and trade all the time, but I want to be able to say, hey, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your kind words. And let's give some stuff back to you guys, keep you guys inspired, motivated, and fired on up. So that's going to be a blast. Now, if you guys want to win any of these gifts, guys, make sure you guys hit me with a good old Dekmar trades. Woo! Just so I know you're here and active and I can pick your name to be able to win. Now, if you guys are over on YouTube, Make sure you guys, again, smash that thumbs on up and subscribe right now if you guys have not. If you guys are over on TikTok, click that follow button and double tap the screen to go ahead and give it a like. And let's dive right on in this day. So traders, what are we going to be seeing on this day? What are we going to be talking about on this day? What is going to be the main point of today here? So let's go ahead, take a look, dive in on this, and talk about some key points of this morning. Well, it does say markets are on a roll. It says stocks are still rocking and rolling in what's been a strong month so far. The Dow closed about 200 points higher. Awesome. It closed about 200 points higher on Monday, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ are on a 5-day winning streak. Treasury yields have come down a bit with hopes that the Federal Reserve is easing on its inflation-fighting rate hike initiative, while hearing more about what the Fed's thinking about inflation and the state of the economy, and the central bank is to release its minutes on the last policy-setting meeting. So, traders, what do we really have at this time? For anyone who does not know, the markets have been just absolutely insane. Guys, I'm just going to put it out there. They've been nuts. It has been a journey. I feel like I'm in a relationship with a beautiful person, and I just, but there's no chemistry. Have you guys ever been into a relationship where you're like, man, this person is so good looking, but you know what? I think I might hate her. That's kind of how I feel about the SPY. The SPY has been just tremendous. The SPY has been extremely good looking. It basically has just been going up, 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 up. And it's been going up so high that it doesn't make any sense, which has been making me basically want to do puts, but while it keeps going up higher and higher, and it just, there's no real strategy here other than just buy and hold it, hope it goes up even higher. It's been a frustrating week over on the S&P 500 just because this market's not making much sense. But we can see that this play has been continuously moving itself on up. And the whole reason on why the S&P 500 has been moving up so well is because of one reason. And the one reason is we are finally done raising rates. Yes, guys, we are done raising rates. And people got excited. They say, yes, we have been raising rates the last 2 years straight. We're done raising rates. But now we're going to have at least probably 10 months of us holding rates at the highest point that they have been in the last 20 plus years. So that's what I feel like a lot of people are forgetting. A lot of people aren't realizing this, that now we're going to hold rates up here. I'm going to make a bet with you guys. Who here wants to take my bet? Does anyone here think that the Federal Reserve is going to be cutting rates in 2024? They stated that they were going to cut rates 4 times in 2024. Then last month, Jerome Powell said, sorry guys, it's only going to be 2 times in 2024. I'm going to make a bet right now that they do not cut rates in 2024. I bet you that they hold rates the same all throughout 2024 and we'll get our first rate cut in 2025. That's, again, clip it. That's what I'm saying right now. No, Jerome Powell wouldn't lie to us. Oh, he wouldn't lie to us. Just like, again, he said we were only going to have 3 rate hikes of 0.25%. We had 13 rate hikes, and 7 of them were 0.75%. We already said that we had 4 rate cuts coming up in 2024. He already changed it to 2 rate cuts. I bet you we have no rate cuts in 2024 whatsoever at all. So the S&P 500, this has been a very kind of big, quick spike, rip and running type of play right here. And it's just been rocking and rolling, and it's just been a ton of excitement here. It says the OpenAI question. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella wants changes at OpenAI. The red-hot startup that threw itself into turmoil over the weekend by booting co-founder and chief executive Sam Altman. At this point, I think it's very clear that something has to change around the governance. Microsoft has invested about $13 billion in OpenAI, which makes the popular ChatGPT app has altered the course of tech over the past year. Microsoft quickly snapped up into Altman and led to a new AI team, while hundreds of OpenAI employees threatened to follow him unless he was reinstated as the lead startup. So Microsoft team definitely getting kind of some controversy here, but also so many people are excited about the future of Microsoft. Microsoft has been one of those plays that is a little bit late, it seems like, to the AI game, but it's really making a strong standpoint right now. We could see how well Microsoft has been moving on up and is now hitting all the way up near highs of the year because of all this attention that's happening over on Microsoft at this moment. So Microsoft, very hot play, very excited about it. Retail's last word before Black Friday. A whole slew slew of retailers' earnings are on schedule on Tuesday, giving investors one last taste of the company's expectations for the holiday quarter before Thanksgiving. So far, these earnings have been a ho-hum. The day after Thanksgiving, known widely as Black Friday, isn't what it once was, as discounts have started earlier. Has anyone else realized that? You know, it used to be, I remember Black Friday was one day, all the sales on Friday, and that's it. Now I feel like Black Friday is like right after Thanksgiving, or excuse me, right after Halloween. It's like Halloween's over, Black Friday begins. I feel like a lot of stores basically make Black Friday an entire month thing. I remember being a kid, it was just like one day, Black Friday, that was it. Now it's like November 1st, Black Friday starts. November 2nd is Black Friday. Well, as you guys know here on TradeCaster.com, Black Friday is from Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time until Cyber Monday. So we are giving you guys the entire weekend for Black Friday, but you guys know first 100 signups do get 40% off. Next 100 signups get 35% off, and everyone else gets 30% off. So we are making it kind of that nice Black Friday deal. First come, first serve gets the best deals possible. So let's see what we have going on with the market briefing. What are traders really focusing on? It says stock futures were down slightly on Tuesday as traders took a breather following another winning session and looked ahead to the release of the Federal Reserve meeting minutes. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were down 71 points or 0.2%. S&P 500 futures slipped 0.15% while NASDAQ 100 futures dipped 0.1%. The minutes from the Fed October 31st, November 1st meeting are slated to release at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Traders are hoping to glean some insights on the policymakers' rate decisions and learn what it may take for them to change the tack going forward. Fed fund futures pricing data suggests nearly a 100% probability. I don't even know how you can say that, but there was a 100% probability that the Federal Open Market Committee is now no longer raising rates. Traders were also turned into the earnings on NVDA and HP. NVDA shares hit an all-time high on Monday. Wall Street's coming off a strong session, and the S&P 500 and NASDAQ have now posted their 5th winning day in a row. So man, traders, we are going into this Thanksgiving weekend with a bang, it looks like, because when we take a look over on the S&P 500, what have we now seen? The S&P 500, I mean, just absolute chaos. The S&P 500 has now gone from 408, and yesterday we spiked all the way up to 455. Absolutely insane. Traders, we are now climbing $46 in the matter of 16 days. The largest spike in history of the stock market in the shortest amount of time. There is no other time in the stock market that we have seen a $46 spike in just 16 days. Yes, traders, I know we have seen very nice climbs before from 380 all the way up to 480. You know, we have seen, very nice rips and runs from 348 all the way up to 410. But what do you guys not realize? We have green day, red day, red day, red day, green day, green day, red day, red day, red day, green day, red day, red day, green, red, 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 green, green, red, red. You have gap ups, you have gap downs, you have red days, you have green days. So far on this spike, it was green day, 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 one red day, green 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 day. So every single day has been green day. Since we have moved into November, every single day, except for one, has been green. Hey, stock trading's super easy, isn't it? All you guys got to do is click the buy button and you just don't lose. So why has this been so frustrating? Well, as you guys know, I have been now trading for 10 years. I'm on my 10th year of being involved in the stock market. 10 years from the moment I started picking up books and learning about stock trading to where I'm at right now. I'm 30 years old right now. I started when I was 20. And the thing is, the S&P 500, I have never seen 16 days in a row, or I would say 15 out of 16 days in a row of straight spiking. I have never seen this big of a spike in only about 2.5 weeks of time. So the reason is, someone asked me, said, Dek, why didn't you buy at 408 and hold it all the way up to 453? Which is the most ludicrous question someone could ever ask me. It's like, I obviously don't know the future, just like you don't know. I could never predict, and I still wouldn't be able to predict, that the market's going to go from 408 to 453. I have never seen a spike that quickly in that short amount of time in my last 10 years of trading. That's not even something I'm even putting on the table of possibilities. But as you guys know, the stock market can surprise you. So as we already talked about, the S&P 500 is moving up so well because traders are finally excited and traders are finally hyped on up and traders are finally saying to themselves, guess what? We are done raising rates. Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve, after 2 years of raising rates, we are finally over. And the big hurrah came, and the spike and the climb 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 and the spike and the climb. But I still feel like traders are forgetting something. Traders are forgetting that we are now going to be holding rates at the highest level they've been for the next at least 6 months. So is that going to play an effect at all on the stock market? Or is it, how much longer can this last? Traders, I'm sure that there are people in here that are straight bulls and that they are going to ignore what I say and they're going to say, Dek, I'm just going to keep on buying. And you know what? That is absolutely okay, because you know what? You're winning. I am not trying to divide anyone, say, be a bull, be a bear, bears with me, bulls over there. I just care that you guys win. That's all I want. I don't care if you guys, again, do money on shorts. I don't care if you guys do money on options. I don't care if you guys do money on swings. I don't care if you guys do money on bounce plays. I don't care if you guys do calls. I don't care if you guys do puts. I just want you guys to win. As long as you guys win, I'm happy. But all I'm trying to say, of course, is this market has gone way higher than I could ever expect. I am not going to do put contracts at this time. I'm going to just let it do its thing because it's just been continuously moving itself on up. And now I just am curious on how much higher is this going to go? How much higher is the S&P 500 going to go up today? Is it going to keep going on up today? Or is after 16 days of climbing, are we finally going to see some sort of pullback? Because if you guys have not joined us over the past, let's say week, 2 weeks, what has happened with my trading? I would get some nice wins here and there. But, basically what it would be was I would make $4,000 and then one day I would lose 1,000. Next day I would lose 1,000. Next day I would lose 1,000. Then I would win again $3,000. But then I would lose 500. Then I would lose 500. Then I would lose 600. So if anyone does not know, I haven't lost any money over the last 2 weeks. And you might say, Dek, you lost money again yesterday. I saw again you ended up losing like $600 yesterday. The thing is, over the last 2 weeks, I would get one good win, and then I would slowly get paper cuts. And then I would get another good win, and then I would slowly get paper cuts because I would do put contract, looking for these drops on down. So at the end of the day, I'm chilling. I'm absolutely fine. I haven't had any sort of loss whatsoever because I would have a good win and then just get multiple paper cuts back to even, and then get a good win and then get multiple paper cuts back to even. So the thing is, we're absolutely fine, and I'm so happy that I have discipline. I'm so happy that I have such good stop losses, as you guys know, that all I do is take little pinches when I lose. I don't ever lose big, but when I win big. But I'm not going to continue just get pinched. This pinching game isn't fun to me. So what am I going to do? My pinching game is over. I am going to wait for a red day. I'm going to wait for a drop. I'm going to wait for momentum to shift. I'm going to wait until this market says, hey, it is over. You know why? Because we have consistently seen this keep on going higher and higher and higher. So the S&P 500, let it go up higher today. S&P 500, go up towards 455 today. Go up to 460 today. Keep going up if it wants to. I have not seen the market ever move up this fast, this quick. And I do not have a game plan to be able to combat this market, to be able to where I don't feel like I'm gambling. If I buy calls saying, Dek, the last 16 days in a row have been green, we've been going up even higher and higher and higher, Dek, go buy a call. Buy on the call train right here. Let it go on up. I personally don't feel comfortable. Well, Dek, let's go on the put side. The put side is going to win. We already know that this is extremely overextended. We can go ahead and we can take a look over on the RSI, right? If we take a look over on the RSI right now, what do we know? We know that the RSI, this thing is over, right? Take a look right here, traders. S&P 500. Whenever we're considered over on the overbought side, we know that we drop. Here, we are overbought. And we scroll on down. What happens? Big time sell-off. Here, we are overbought. Guess what happens? Big time sell-off. You guys can see here, we're about to be overbought. Guess what could happen? Big time sell-off. But I thought, again, big time sell-off could have been yesterday or the day before that or the day before that. So while I do believe that a big time sell-off is coming on off, again, I've been pinched 2 days in a row. I've been pinched 3 days in a row. I'm going to give me one red day. Give me, again, one red day to show me at this time that this trend is going to start developing. Give me one red day where I know this trend is going to start developing. Give me one red day where I know this new trend can start developing. That's where I feel safer. So I do feel like I'm gambling. This is me personally, not you. You're in charge of your own money. I feel like I am gambling going on the call side right now. I don't feel comfortable. But at the same time, the last 2 to 3 days, I've gotten small pinches where it's like, hey, this is just annoying that it keeps going on up. So I'm going to wait for one nice drop, one nice move. Prove to me that we are going to get weaker. Prove to me that we are going to fade. Prove to me that we are going to get a little bit more of a sell-off. That's what I want to see on this day to be able to be as safe and as smart as possible. Now, as you guys know, we do have an absolutely huge day ahead of us with NVDA. Traders, we are about to end off this year with a bang. Every single trader is hyping up the poop on NVDA right here. Every single person is, I feel like we're about to walk into the Super Bowl. I feel like I'm going to walk outside and people are going to be tailgating in the streets, getting ready for NVDAs, just flipping burgers, playing some cornhole, saying, oh yeah, NVDAs, earnings, just, having a little pregame, having a little tailgate for it. It seems like every single person is waiting and watching for NVDA right now. NVDA, this is the #1 best investment of 2023 so far. Isn't that crazy to think about? This stock has been the best return on investment out of anything, right? How awesome is that? When we take a look over on NVDA, it is currently up 252%. It started the year at 143, and now it's at the price of 504 as we are about to head into its earnings report. Its final earnings report of the year on the #1 stock of the year at $500 resistance. 4 o'clock today, we are going to see millions of dollars won and millions of dollars lost. There is going to probably be every single investor betting on NVDA in one way or another. If you win tonight, you're probably going to double, triple, maybe even quadruple your account. If you lose tonight, whatever you put in, consider it gone. So that's a way to think about it. If you win tonight, you're probably going to double to triple it. If you lose tonight, you're probably just going to say, hey, whatever I just put in there, it's pretty much gone with. Because NVDA is going to have a very rapid move at $500 resistance near the end of the year on the #1 best investment of the year. So this is going to be very exciting. This is going to be very crazy. A lot of people are going to be very pumped up on this. And we want to see where this action is going to keep on going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher towards. So I want to see, of course, where this momentum is, really going to be telling us, and kind of seeing what we have. So I want to switch over our scanners at this moment. Penny stocks still have been a little bit slower. I'm going to let every single person know right now, as we head into 2024, I am going to take a little bit of time. I don't know, again, like what week or what month or whatever, that I'm just going to solely focus on getting back to some penny stock shorts. So if you are a person that loves when I do some penny stock shorts and these type of plays, I am going to take a little bit of time as we get into December or as we get into 2024 to kind of go back to where I've made the most money in the stock market. Over the last year and a half, I've definitely tried to shift a little bit over towards, again, options trading. And I've had some good wins. I've had some decent losses. I've had some great runs. I've also had some slow times. The thing is, I am going to go back probably to what has made me the most amount of money in the stock market. And that is shorting. And that is, again, seeing these, fades. And that is, watching these penny stocks get pumped up and dumping them right back on down. So if you guys are excited about that, that is going to be something I am going to do for probably about 2-3 weeks at least, is just solely focused on looking for penny stock rip runs and shorting them right back on down. How I've been able to make the majority of my money in the stock market. I'm going to, again, take some time, get back to it, and see if that thing is still, see if that strategy is still just absolutely key, doing absolutely everything right there. So I am fired up for that. So we are pumped on up, super excited, and ready to rock and roll. So we're all good. Cash, I'm probably going to be trading the small account tonight on NVDA. So traders, just a little heads on up. Probably that's going to be the move tonight. We have been doing the small account for about the last, 25 days, last, 30 days. The small account is not moving as fast as I want it to. And really, as we kind of come on down, we either got to make a final hurrah type of move right here, or we're going to just start wrapping that small account challenge on up. So I do plan on tonight probably jumping in, getting in on an NVDA trade, doubling up that small account or that final hurrah here. So I am, saying to myself, hey, small account at this moment, currently sitting with just about $1,000 on it, putting that in over on NVDA, looking to be able to triple or quadruple that on up to be able to get $4,000 or so, and then be able to make some money really off of that as we move it into December. So that's kind of the goal over on the small account here is, yes, I do want to throw that over into NVDA, be able to make that money over on NVDA and try to get that thing up towards $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 overnight to be able to make that big time profit. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be very exciting and it's going to be a lot of fun. Now, just a little heads up for every single person here, for anyone that is interested over on this play, for NVDA here. NVDA is going to most likely move sideways today. Think about this, traders. You have the biggest earnings report of the year coming on up, okay? You have the biggest earnings report of the year with the #1 top gaining stock of the year. It's most likely going to be sitting right at 500, okay? So NVDA, this play is most likely going to be sitting near 500 throughout the entire day, throughout the entire area, all right? So I definitely want you guys to realize, of course, what we have at this moment, that NVDA, if it gets a spike, it's probably going to come back down to 500. If it goes down towards, again, like 495, it's probably going to pop back up towards around 500. It's going to be around that area. Tav saying, Dek, but playing NVDA tonight is a 100% gamble. Isn't that kind of going against what we're teaching? 100%. But the thing is, I'm telling you right now, trading NVDA overnight is a gamble. Okay, so if you guys want to, repeat this, if you guys want to record this, trading NVDA overnight is a gamble. But when you only have, let's say, a few $100s, it's very difficult, as we've already talked about. It's very difficult to be able to grow an account with a few $100s. It's not easy because you are going to have limited options. You're going to have limited trades. You're going to have limited just plays all around. You're on a small account. You're on a cash account. You're only going to be able to trade once or twice. You are going to have to kind of go for, if you have a small account, you're going to have to go for kind of one of those 1 to 2 plays of shooting for the stars a little bit. If you are a quarterback and you're down in the game and it's fourth quarter, you're going to have to heave a couple passes up there where, yes, they could get intercepted or you're going to catch and run for a touchdown. You got to be able to take some chances. Now, again, if you are saying, oh, Dek, I don't want to do that. You don't have to do that. Sometimes, again, sometimes I get these emails, guys, where people are like, Dek, I don't feel comfortable again swinging NVDA overnight tonight. I really don't want to do this. I pulled the trigger. I just don't want to. Traders, please take a second. Do not follow me. I'm going to tell you that right now. Stop doing what I do just because I'm doing it. All right? Let's clear the air here. I feel like some people think I'm like over their house, grabbing their hand, putting it on the mouse, screaming in their ear, saying, click the button, click it. I'm going to tell you guys right now, do not follow me. Do not follow me in anything I do. Do not follow me in my stock trades. Do not follow, again, just because I buy, you buy. Do not sell because I sell. Do not trade what I trade because what I trade it. I'm telling you right here, this whole entire experience that you're sitting and watching right now at this moment is not, oh, I'm going to sign up, just follow Dek, and I'm going to become a millionaire just because, again, Dek is. That's not how this whole entire thing works. What I do is for you to learn, for you guys to get inside my mind, for you guys to be able to see, what am I doing? Why am I doing? Do I like that? Do I dislike that? Let me take what I'm learning from here. Let me take what I'm learning from Caesar. Let me take what I'm learning from Yeah Buddy. Let me take what I'm learning from Kush. Let me take what I'm learning from AK-47. Let me take what I'm learning from the video library. Let me take what I'm learning from the chat room members and be able to develop my own strategy. If you, again, just treat this as a gamble and say, I'm just going to do whatever Dek does, guess what? We're going to be in at different times. I'm going to know what's going on. You're not going to know what's going on. I'm going to have stop losses. You're going to be a new trader, not have stop losses. I'm going to get out of a play. There's going to be a few seconds, maybe a few minutes. You're not going to get out of the play. We're going to have different profits. I may make $1,000. You may lose $200. You cannot just follow your way to success. I am here to be a mentor to you. I'm here to, again, show you, to teach you, to be able to do everything I possibly can. That's what it's all about. But I want to make sure that you are growing as a trader and not just saying to yourself, oh, I don't know what's going on. I'm just following as a trader. There's a massive difference behind that. So that's kind of what it all comes on down to, traders. I want to make sure everyone understands that. And I'll always say that. This is not, again, a follow program. This is, again, a program to show you what I am currently doing so you guys can get inside the head of someone who has been a full-time trader for the past 7 years, for someone who has been able to have verified $1 million profits, for someone, again, who has been able to make a life off of stock trading. You could be able to see absolutely everything. But if you do not ever feel comfortable with something that I'm doing, don't do it. Okay, don't do it. If you are saying, Dek, if I lose $800 tonight, that is going to really affect my life, then don't do it. I'm telling every person right now, NVDA, you will either triple your account tonight or you will lose it all. Now, that does not mean that you need to, again, throw in your whole entire account. Some people may have a $5,000 account and might risk $1,000 tonight. That's fine. Some people may have $10,000, $15,000, and they are, again, going to say to themselves, hey, I'm going to put in $3,000. If I lose $3,000, it's going to stink, but I know if I make this money, I'm going to win 6. I'm going to win 9. As I already told you, I have friends that are putting in $25,000 tonight. I have a friend that put in $45,000 yesterday over on NVDA. And if he loses $45,000, he's going to say, you know what, that stinks. I just lost $45,000. But if he wins, he's going to probably win about 100,000 plus. So it all comes on down to the risk that you're willing to take over on these plays. For the small account, I am going to probably be putting it in over on NVDA today. If you do not feel comfortable, do not do that. But as I said, it's fourth quarter on the small account. I'm down on the scoreboard. I'm going to have to be checking it up to the wide receivers a little bit right here and get a catch and get a touchdown. If it gets intercepted, that's part about being a quarterback. But hopefully we get a pass interference call. Hopefully we get a nice little grab and be able to move some yardage down. Hopefully, again, we can make some magic happen. So that's where I'm at here, traders. I'm just being honest. I'm being open. I'm being transparent. I'm not going to be someone that hides anything from you. I'm not going to be someone that's not going to be telling you guys things. I'm, again, being straight up with every single trader here. It's game time. We're coming down to Thanksgiving, and I'll tell you right now, baby, I'm hungry. Someone pass the turkey leg. Get me the mashed potato bowl. I'm ready to drown myself in nothing but gravy and cranberry sauce, baby. You know what I'm saying? It's game time. So, we'll see what we have. We'll see what we're at. So we want to see if we are all set, ready to rock and roll, seeing where this momentum is going to be at. And obviously, I'm jacked up on this day. Jacked up on this day here, team. Roberto, Dek, where have you been? Again, I've been live streaming every single day for the past 5 days now. I do not live stream every day over on YouTube or on Discord or Instagram or any of that because I do it all on Tradecaster.com. So yes, Tradecaster team is where we are live every single day. And this is where I do all my live streaming, with myself and all these other live streamers that are live every single day. So you guys can be able to watch me trade. You can be able to watch Kush trade. You guys can get access over to the video library. I believe Kush is on vacation right now, so he actually has a buddy filling in for him at this moment. You guys have accessed the entire video library, which is absolutely awesome. Thank you, Roberto, for bringing this all on up. It's just the amount of value that we bring over here over on Tradecaster, from, again, the video library to the live streams to the chat room to the communities. It is absolutely amazing. So yes, get ready for the Black Friday deal coming on up. But other than that, guys, we are live every day on Tradecaster.com and live on Thursdays over on YouTube. But I wanted to go live over these next few days as we are getting ready for this nice Thanksgiving break ahead. Nope, I am not in on anything at this moment, traders. As I talked about earlier, nothing I'm in on at this time. If you are going to trade NVDA, what do you guys think is the best strategy to trade NVDA? If you guys are going to trade NVDA, the best strategy for you guys to do so is don't buy in right now. Don't buy in at 10 o'clock. Don't buy in at 11 o'clock. Don't buy in at 12 o'clock. The best strategy for you guys to do if you guys want to trade NVDA tonight is going to be wait until the final 5 minutes. Don't sit and jump on a play right now and just have tons of time decay kill you. Today, I'm already giving you guys the heads on up, will be the first day that you recognize that volume's going to get a little bit weaker. All right, I'm giving everyone that heads on up. So if you usually trade, let's say 100 contracts, today do 75 contracts or 50 contracts. If you guys are usually, let's say, doing 2,000 shares, do 1,000 shares today. I'm giving everyone that heads on up that you will see throughout this day, volume will slightly decrease. Volume will be fading. Volume will be dropping. And that's because Thanksgiving weekend is getting closer and closer and closer. Why do stocks move up? People buy them. Why do stocks move down? People sell them. Why, again, what happens when people are buying or selling? We see a lot of movement. If people are starting to take a step back, getting ready for Thanksgiving weekend, going to their mother-in-laws, going to grandma's, getting the kids ready, going on vacations, whatever it may be, well, we are having less people in the market. More people in the market, the more action, the more activity. Less people in the market, the slower it is. So expect that today is going to be slightly slower. Tomorrow is probably going to be pretty slow. And then, of course, we do have our Thanksgiving weekend right here, ready to rock and roll. Now, other than that, though, ladies and gentlemen, other than that, we are all set, ready to see what is going to be coming on up. The S&P 500 probably is going to get little pops here and there, but I want that one red day to kind of show me that momentum is shifting, that momentum is changing. We've already talked about it. What a crazy spike. What a crazy squeeze we have seen over the past few days and or the past few weeks now. And I'm really just waiting to see, are we going to be able to get this drop and be able to get this fade all the way back on down? So absolutely beautiful. But NVDA traders is probably going to be sitting around 500 over the next few days here. So let's get ready to rock. Dek, you're going to swing your big account over on NVDA as well tonight? Maybe. I'm thinking like traders, honestly, I'm thinking maybe like a $10,000 investment over on NVDA overnight tonight. So I'm not going to put in like $75,000 over on NVDA, but I'm thinking maybe like 10,000. If I lose 10,000, yeah, it's going to sting a little bit, but at the same time, it's not, that huge of a deal. So the thing is, I'm thinking NVDA, maybe a $10,000 investment on my bigger account tonight, wake up with about a $30,000 profit. If I end up losing that 10K, obviously that's not fun. I can't make this any more clear, guys. Yes, NVDA is going to be a gamble. Okay. 100%. I can't make it any more clear. It is a gambling move to hold NVDA overnight. But I will say this, the reason why it's tempting in any way is if you are correct, you are probably going to win triple of what you're going to lose. That's why it's so hyped up right now. That's why everyone on the internet's talking about it. That's why everyone on Twitter and StockTwits and Reddit and Discord and everyone's talking about NVDA, because we know the movement it has. Remember, what's the thing about NVDA? What's the thing that's happening here? And again, I'm not trying to teach you guys bad habits. I'm not trying to teach you guys gambly habits. I'm trying to show you why people are so excited about this play. If NVDA, okay, let's break this on down. NVDA right here. This is the number one best investment of the year. It's currently up 253%. NVDA has started off the year at $108 and is now sitting at the price of over $500. We are now up over 250% return on investment, which obviously shows that this stock can go on crazy spikes, rips, and runs. We basically have, just kind of making my math easy here, a $400 climb over the last 11 months. So on the final earnings report of the year, don't you guys expect that we are probably going to see a big pow or a big drop on down on the final earnings report of the year? Let's take a look at NVIDIA and what happened on its last earnings. Well, its last earnings that it came on out with was right here, traders. And this was not its last earnings, excuse me. This was the big earnings that came on out about 2 earnings ago. It went from 300 and then shot all the way up towards almost 400. In one night, it shot up almost $100. So what can we expect probably out of the final earnings of the year on the number one top gainer, currently sitting up 250%? NVDA, I'm going to assume if it comes out with good earnings, it's probably going to spike up, I'm going to say about $30 to $35. And if it comes out with bad earnings and basically shocks the world, there will be a lot more of a violent reaction, and I think it's going to drop probably about $50. So I do think there's about $35 to climb up. I think there's about $50 to drop on down, because that would be the more shocking result, which would lead towards a more violent reaction. Now, what's the beautiful thing about stock trading, guys? Well, the beautiful thing about stock trading and options is you can only lose what your premium is. So what's your premium? The premium is what you buy your contracts for. So, excuse me. So if you guys are saying to yourself, all right, hey, I'm buying these contracts and I am putting $5,000 in on this play, and I bet that NVDA is going to spike tonight. And guess what happens? Unfortunately, NVDA falls and starts turning. You can only lose what your premium is. You can only lose $5,000. So if it falls all the way down here, falls all the way down here, falls lower and lower and lower, you can only lose what you put in. That's it. But if, let's say, it does spike, well, guess what? It spikes, it rips and runs, you can make $5,000 right here. And let's say it keeps on spiking on up. Well, now you can make $10,000 right here. And let's say it can keep on spiking on up. So guess what happens? Now you can make 15,000 right here. So you're telling me NVDA, the hottest mover of the year, the stock that's moved $100 in a night before, the stock that every single trader is watching and every single trader is looking at, yes, you can lose what you are willing to put in, but at the same time, you could possibly triple up tonight on this play. That's why it's so appealing. That's why so many people are looking at it. So yes, $10,000 to me might be, again, $500 to you. If you want to say, hey, Dek, I'm going to put in $500 tonight, possibly win $1,500. That's fine. Except though that $500 may be poof. So only be willing to put in what you are willing to lose. That's how you got to think about it. I'm not willing to lose 50 grand tonight. I'm not willing to take that sort of loss right now. But at the same time, 10,000 to 30,000 could be very nice. $1,000 all the way up towards $3,000, that's very solid. So NVDA, this is the play that the majority of traders are looking at. Earnings does come on out at around 4 o'clock today. But I'm telling every single person right now, it's probably going to be sitting around 500. So there's no reason to jump in contracts right now. No reason to jump in contracts now. No reason to put yourself in on contracts right now. $500 at this moment is probably going to be its safety safe area. So I want to make sure that every single person is excited and understanding about this market right here. Also, let's take a little bit of a chat vote at this time here, traders. Let's see what everyone's thinking. NVDA tonight. Will it spike or will it crack? What do you guys think? Obviously, no one knows for sure. No one knows for sure, but it's fun to see an outline of what people are thinking. So will it spike tonight or is it going to dump tonight? Everyone, let's see where we're at. I want every single person, if you guys are on TikTok, either write spike or write dump if you think it's going up or down. Everyone over on YouTube right now, write out spike if you think it's going up or write out dump. And everyone on Tradecaster, go ahead and cast your vote. So go vote. And let's see what we're at. Guys, we got 2,100 people over on Tradecaster.com right now. So let's see what traders are thinking. Are we going to spike or are we going to dump over on NVDA? 2,100 people over on Tradecaster.com. Let's get a good idea of what everyone's thinking, where everyone is at this moment. So let's get it right here. Keep your eyes peeled. Stay alert. Cast your vote if you guys have not yet. Making sure every single person is all set, ready to rock. Man, I'm excited for this afternoon. I'm excited for today. I'm excited for right now. I'm excited to see where, again, this action and momentum is going to be taking us on off. All right. Guys, cast your vote if you guys haven't yet. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop the poll. NVDA. NVDA, 67% of the chat room says it's going to spike. So 67% of the chat room says, Dek, you think 250% is a lot? Well, get ready for 300%. Dek, we know this market. This market is ready to shock us all. This market's ready to surprise us. You think the stock is going to feed here soon? I think it's going to go up even higher. So we do have the majority of the chat room thinking that it is going to spike on up. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I am kind of biased a little bit towards the call side as well. I do think a lot of people have been buying NVDA. I think NVDA has been getting an influx of money. I think NVDA has been getting a lot of hype and attention, and people have been really getting involved with NVDA with partnerships. I do think calls are the right move on NVDA. At the same time, there is one issue. What's the issue? The current administration, in the government, are looking, and I don't know if they exactly have just yet, but they are trying to stop the sell of over to China of these microchips. Because right now we basically have the race of artificial intelligence. That's what we have at this moment. We have the race of artificial intelligence. Who's going to come out with the best artificial intelligence quicker? Is it the United States? Is it going to be Russia? Is it going to be China? Is it going to be one of these other countries? Right? So, who's going to be coming on out first with the race to these places? So, the United States government said, hey, NVDA, you guys are ours. Let's not give China an advantage. And they want to cut off NVDA sales to China. So, did that take effect yet? If that did take an effect, possibly, again, that could be something that could scare a lot of people on its earnings report. But other than that, NVDA, obviously, this play has been on fire. And we want to see what is going to be coming on up at this moment. So I'm really pumped on up. I'm really excited to see where this momentum is going to be taking us. Sean Trades, are you going to pursue options moving forward? I love options, guys. I've been doing options now for like the past year and a half, but I probably am going to take a little bit of time as we get into December and into, again, 2024 to actually get back into shorting penny stocks as well. Remember, team, I'm going to say, breaking it on down, 80% of the money that I've made in the stock market is from shorting penny stocks. And I'm just going to be straight up with you. It's because it's so much more simpler. I'm going to tell you guys what I've learned over in the stock market. I'm going to play this video just one final time for you. I know you probably already seen it already, but I just want to play it one final time for you guys to kind of get you guys, understanding why it's so easy, because I also want to add on to this a little bit more. So if you guys have not checked this on out, please just, again, take 1 second to watch this, just because I do think that this is a great, easy, straightforward, to the point reason on why, again, making money on shorts is so simple sometimes and so easy sometimes. So it's only a minute. Listen in, and this is, again, what we're going to probably be doing as we move back into December and January, and making sure that we're ready to rock and roll.
I've made the majority of my money in the stock market just by shorting penny stocks, microcap, low float plays. This is how you do it. Every single morning you wake up, you see stocks that are low floats. Low floats are stocks that have very low supply of shares to the public. Now, when you see these low supply shares, a lot of huge communities, a lot of discords out there know that these are easily manipulated. With that being stated, those are going to be the targets. Now, any stock that has a low float, that has a press release behind it, that's already going to have a little bit of juice behind it. So as a little bit of juice, this massive discord, this community, this person with a huge following alerts it, usually spikes up. Every single day it spikes up 100, 200%, it'll be a different play. But a lot of traders, and especially a lot of new traders, are all going to be saying to themselves, oh, I want to jump in, that's the play I want to get involved in, that's the stock that I want to be looking at. And people buy it. The press release that came on out is nowhere near to how good that stock is currently at the moment. So if you just sit back, you wait for an upper shadow, you wait until the panic starts happening, you wait until it starts fading a little bit, you're going to win the majority of the time. Now, yes, please don't get me wrong. Are there going to be times that stocks go up higher than you expect, that catch fire? Yes. Are there going to be times that short squeezes happen, that stocks go on up? Yes. But next day, next time you trade, go ahead, look at all the gap ups in the morning, set your filter for $25 and below, look at all the lowest floats, and nearly 90% of them will be ending up lower than where they opened up at. If you sit back the first 10-15 minutes, you'll see a spike, you'll see an upper shadow indicates a reversal, and then you'll just see them drop back on down.
So that is one of those strategies, guys, that they just work, because every single day we will usually see the top gainers of the day usually turn into the biggest red candles. I'm just trying to see if we have that today. I mean, we could see it a lot of times in pre-market where we have AGNH or ANGH where it goes up to 316, falls back down to 213. MRAI up towards 125. Not that big of a drop just yet. We haven't really seen a lot of penny stock hype recently, but this would be like something. SGD. I would get ready for an SGD, big long upper shadow. Let's come back to SGD in a little bit and see if this one does get a dump. I will say it does have a little bit of a mid-candle breakout pattern. Now, even though I say that this is a very easy strategy, I'm probably going to say about 30% of people are not going to follow it. Now, this is the only reason. And just because I've done this so long, 30% of people are probably not going to want to do that. And I'm going to say, why not? And they're going to say, oh, my broker doesn't allow shorts. So that's usually the number one reason on why people do not do that strategy. It's probably the number one reason on why people, again, don't like to go ahead and start shorting any sort of plays, because they say to themselves, oh, I don't want to change my broker. Oh, Dek, I use TD Ameritrade. I know they don't have a lot of good shorts. I don't want to change my broker. Oh, Dek, I use this platform. I use this I don't want to change my broker. The thing is, it just comes down to, as long as you have a good broker, such as Lightspeed for shorting, you guys are going to be absolutely fine. But the reason why the majority of people don't do it is just because they don't want to change their broker. Oh, Dek, I signed up with, again, Robinhood, and they don't have a lot of great shorts. I don't want to sign up for a new broker. I'm telling you, if you have a good broker and you have shorts available, you can be able to make a lot of money over on these plays. So I definitely think it's so important that you guys realize that. So, really pumped on up to be able to kind of move back into a strategy that I know that works, move back into a strategy that I've been able to consistently crush it on. I'm still going to be trading options probably every day as well. But, if we take a look at my P&Ls over the years, my biggest year ever was from shorting penny stocks. And, that's what's so important. But especially after taking some time doing the small account, I always want to be able to break this on down. So this was, again, if you guys do not know, this was my biggest year ever in stock trading right here. This was, again, $551,000 in profit. You can actually see me circle it right here. Year to date, $552,000 in profit. Loss summary, year to date, $552,656. It was an absolutely incredible year of trading. You guys can see I don't hide anything. You know why? Because I have nothing to hide. Everything that I do is 100% credible, and I always live stream every single trade in real time. So this was, again, you know, probably every single month, 23,000. 104,000, 135,000. I did have a losing month right here, $2,000, 61,000, 6,000, 121,000, 21,000, 36,000, 36,000, 19,000, and then the last month of the year is when I actually got a little bit too carried away and I actually ended up taking an $11,000 loss. Every single trade is called out, every single trade is alerted, and I always back up my
But also, just want to, I did log in to this so you can see that this is all legit, all live, logging into it, and then you can see all my profits over here. So as always, just want to kind of make sure that you guys see all of that and, you know, see the credibility that I'm bringing over to the table. You know, so we want to make sure that we're all set, ready to rock and roll over on these plays. Now, traders, let's see where we're at this moment. Because just a little heads on up for everyone. Today's all about giving back to you guys. Today is all about, you know, I know that today is going to slowly get a little bit, you know, slow. It's going to slowly fade on down a little bit. Today's about saying thank you to you guys. Today's a day about saying thank you to everyone that's tuned into the live streams, not only this week, but over the past few months. I want to be able to take some time and just do some fun giveaways. I'm letting everyone know right now at this moment that the S&P 500, it's going to move sideways a lot today as we get closer to Thanksgiving. I'm letting every single person know that NVDA is probably going to be sitting right next to 500 until its earnings report later on today. So what do you guys think? Is it okay, guys? It's 10 o'clock at this moment. If you guys want to trade, I definitely support that. But are you okay if I take the next 30 to maybe 40 minutes and we just give away some stuff to you guys? I want to give away some money. I want to give away some, you know, great gifts. I want to give away just kind of saying, hey, welcome to Thanksgiving and let's get ready for December. If you guys want to win some free cash right now, if you guys want to win some free money right now, can you guys hit me with a good old Dekmar trades? Woo! Just so I know you guys are fired up at this moment. Want to make sure that you guys are all set here, team. And let's get this kind of party started a little bit right now at this moment. I'm feeling good. Taking some time. Want to say thank you to the community. And just let's get after it here, team. First things first that I want to throw out there. We do have a live giveaway competition at this moment. So if anyone does not know, we do have a live giveaway competition at this moment. It is over on my Twitter and it is over on my Instagram right now here, traders. If you guys have not yet gone over to my Twitter and on my Instagram, go ahead, comment on this right now. You know what? I think we're actually going to do this giveaway today as well. You know, let's add this giveaway. I was going to do it tomorrow, but I know tomorrow's just going to be a little bit slower. We're going to have less people. So let's do this giveaway today as well on my Instagram, on my Twitter. Go ahead, post the keyword found at the end of this video. And if you guys do not know the keyword, let's tune in on this video real quick. Check it on out and give you guys that keyword that you guys can go comment on my Instagram and Twitter right now so that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll. If you guys have not checked out this video, check it out right now. Pretty awesome, pretty cool. Let's see what we got.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time
Where are they running
of
to?
the year.
Where's all these Santas going?
Happiest season of all.
Santa knows a good deal when he sees one. Tradecaster.com Black Friday starts this Thursday. I'll see you there.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Keyword blackout. If you guys have not posted blackout on the comment section right now. Make sure you guys go do that. And also, if you guys want to win a couple little brownie points right here, make sure you retweet this video. If you guys want to win a couple brownie points at this moment, go retweet that video and make sure that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll, getting ready for Black Friday. Traders, did you guys think I was going to be the Santa at the end? Do you know how hard it was to get together about 400 Santas to run around my local neighborhood? Do you know how hard that was? We put out, again, a couple little flyers. We had some Tradecaster members show on up. Hey, we had the squad running through again. Look at the squad running down again the city. Just look, that's me right there, a little power slide. Oh, look at that power slide. Not too shabby. So again, shout out to all the Santas that came on out, supported the community. So, shout out to all the Santas that came on out and helped us put this together. So again, shout out to you guys. But if you guys want some brownie points, go ahead and retweet that right now if you guys haven't. But that was absolutely awesome, absolutely great. And again, you guys have to comment blackout on the tweet or on my Instagram post. Other than that, though, traders, we're going to be giving away a few things today. How many winners should we get today, guys? How many winners should we be getting? Also, if you're seeing NVDA dump right now, guys, trust me, it's going to pop back up to 500. You could do quick calls if you guys want to. So if you guys want to, you guys can do some quick calls coming on up. You're going to be floating around 500 probably throughout the rest of the day. You're probably going to go underneath 500, back up to 500, above 500, underneath 500. Don't be scared. You're not going to see a massive dump before the biggest earnings, but you're also not going to have the massive spike before earnings. NVDA is going to be floating right around the area it's at right now. Just a little heads up for you guys. So, traders, let's see here. Yeah. Let's get this party started at this moment. Make sure that we're all set, ready to rock and roll, and get ready to have some fun. All right, traders. So I'm thinking I'd say we get 5 winners today. 5 winners, 5 chances of success, 5 chances to be able to come on out with some great prizes. But hey, that's not up to me. I have no idea what the prizes are going to be won on out to. We're going to get some YouTube today. We're going to get some winners from TikTok today. We're going to get some winners from Tradecaster today. And we are going to get some winners right here and right now from, again, that Instagram post, from the Twitter post. And we're going to take some time to just give away some cash to the squad. Again, you guys deserve it. For the people that are live, or excuse me, the people that are viewing here right now, you guys could be anywhere in the entire world. And you guys are saying, hey, you know what? I want to be with Dek right now. I want to be able to, again, see that curly-haired smile. And I want to be able to enjoy this upcoming Black Friday, the last few live streams, and getting ready to go right here. So, team, let's get ready to do it. Hey, everyone, it's game time. Let's get ready to have some fun. And I'm going to set this thing on up for every single trader so we know exactly how to be trading this, or exactly how to be able to know what we're going to win. So everyone, give me about 2 minutes to set up this giveaway. We're picking 5 winners from the people here right now, and we are going to make sure that you guys are coming out on top. All right? Hey, let's do it. So give me just a moment. I'm going to set this on up, and we're going to get ready for some fun.
Like it's the weekend now.
That girl is a real crowd, please.
My heart's beating, guys. My heart's beating. I'm excited to see who's gonna win this.
Young bull living like an old keys. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly.
Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep. Make you banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now.
Smoke in the air, dance drink.
Look. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. Nowadays, everybody wanna talk like they got something to say, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish, and motherfuckers act like they forgot about Dre. So what do you say to somebody you hate, or anyone trying to bring trouble your way? One of his old things gonna bloody your way. Just study your tape of NWA. One day I was walking by with a Walkman on when I caught a guy, give me an awkward eye. She looked strangled him off in the parking lot with his cork and eye.
Stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell you. Stay on my mind, think about you all the time. Got to get to know you well. If you kiss, then I will tell.
I took the walk
Traders, right now, all I'm doing is I'm just typing out as many fun gifts as I can. What fun prizes can we get on here? I'm getting some good prizes in my mind right now. And again, today's the day of giving back. So we are getting 5 winners, having them spin the wheel. There's going to be, again, a couple prizes, though, that are not so good. But we're going to get a lot of good prizes. I'm hoping we get some awesome winners here today. So let's see what we got coming on up.
Chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place and your game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. So dark.
God have mercy on your soul.
All right, traders. All right, everyone. All right, are you guys ready to go? Are you guys ready to go here? If you guys are pumped on up, if you guys are excited to be able to win these giveaways right now, I need to see you guys in the chat room at this moment. Hit that thumbs on up over on YouTube. Double tap that like over on that TikTok. I got to see some likes up there. And then also, again, follow if you guys aren't. But I'm trying to get some winners here, and we are going to be all set, ready to rock and roll, guys. I got a brand new wheel of just gifts. I just literally typed out a ton of gifts, and whoever wins them, I'm sending them to you guys. But I'm picking Tradecaster members, YouTube members, and TikTok members right now so that we are all set, ready to go. If you guys are not interested in winning free cash, free money, free gifts, free trips, all this, if you guys are not interested in any of this, okay? Hey, please just mute me for a little bit. Again, take a look at the stock trades. But I know, again, this is kind of the last full day before things start slowing down for Thanksgiving. And I just want to say thank you to you guys and give back to you. Give back to this community and give back to all the people that just support this room. And I just want to say thank you so much for you guys. So you guys are incredible. Let's get ready for our first giveaway today. And our first giveaway today is we are giving away $250 in cash, guys. And we are giving this away to someone who just commented on my Twitter post or my Instagram post. So we are going to be getting after this here once again, getting ready to rock and roll, bringing it over the wheel, and we make this as random as possible. So let's see who's going to win the very first little bit here and get this whole entire party kicked on off, get this whole entire thing ready to rock and roll. Obviously, I'm so fired up. Obviously, I'm so excited. And we'll be getting a few winners throughout this whole entire period, as you guys know. So I just want to, get this party started here a little bit and get ready to go. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. So what we have kicking on off here is I want to see, are we going to be picking a winner from Instagram first, or are we picking a winner from Twitter first? Traders, every time I click this button, the mouse button, that wheel is going to spin. I'm going to start on off just clicking at a random time. Let's just click it a few random times and see what we get. If we're heading on over to Instagram today, or if we're heading on over towards Twitter today, now known as X. Everyone, let's get involved. Happy again Thanksgiving. Giveaway start right now. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see where we're going. Instagram or Twitter? Instagram or Twitter? And we are heading towards Twitter today. So Instagram was a winner yesterday. We are heading on over towards Twitter at this time. So let's go ahead, head on over towards Twitter, and let's grab that tweet to see who is going to come on out on top. So here's the tweet at this moment, bringing this thing on over, and let's get a winner. So Dek, how are we going to get a winner? Well, am I going to start at the top of the comments or the bottom of the comments? Let's go ahead and figure this on out. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. We are at a bottom of the comments. We are going to the bottom of the comments here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this, scroll on down to the absolute bottom of the comments where there are no more comments left to be commented. Scrolling on down, loading them all on up at this time, making sure that we're all set, ready to go. Scrolling on down, a lot of comments, guys. I appreciate all the support that you guys are bringing, all the people that are here, showing more replies, making sure we're getting them all. Should we add the offensive comments? Let's add them. They even got a chance to go. Okay, so usually it's just bots. It's usually not too offensive. Maybe there'll be like a one, I hate you, but it's not very too often. Now, from the bottom, there's a number here. And we are going to count up from the bottom. In 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. 15 comments from the bottom. I'm not going to count any bot comments, though. So again, like this, you know, are you looking for some trouble? Are you looking for some trouble? Are you a naughty stock trader who works on Wall Street that needs, again, someone to keep you company? Do ya? All right, we're not going to count that, okay? We're going to start with the blackout right here. So what we have here is 15 comments going from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and RJ follows me, posted the basketball right here on top of his disgusting yellow toes. RJ, I'm going to again hit you with a follow right now so you're all set, ready to go. And I am going to hit you on up, ready to rock on your Black Friday right here. I'll send you a DM, RJ, to let you know that you just came out on top. And again, you just won. And RJ right here. RJ, over in chat at this moment, you guys can see RJ already said, "Wee, all good." And shout out to RJ, chat member right here, winning. Everyone spam RJ's message, showing him some live. And RJ, what I'm going to tell you right now is I'm going to send you $250. But with me sending you $250, I want you to change this picture immediately because this picture is kind of creeping me out. So the thing is, if you want $250, shout out to you, RJ, but please change your Twitter picture immediately because I don't like staring at this, and I know I'm going to be talking to you for a little bit. So let's get rid of that immediately. All right? Now, traders, shout out to you. Shout out to you. Shout out to the traders here. Shout out to the people that are doing their thing at this moment. Now, I gotta pick a few winners here. I want to pick, I'm going to pick 2 people off of tradecaster.com. I'm picking 1 person off YouTube, and I'm picking 1 person off TikTok. All right. So, traders, I just want to make this as fair as humanly possible. I don't want anyone spamming the messages right now because it's just going to freeze everything on up. So I am going to make this as fair as humanly possible on TikTok, on YouTube, on Tradecaster. We are going to, again, I'm not going to say, hey, tell me who wants to win because I know things are going to get a little too crazy. Things are going to get a little too fast and things are going to get a little too nuts. So I'm just going to do it nice, fair, and square, easy peasy. And all I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to grab this right here. I'm going to scroll on up to earlier today where I know people are talking. People are communicating. When people, again, post alerts, they get rewarded for it, guys. So I'm just scrolling up in the chat room, scrolling on up, getting a whole bunch of messages from yesterday, and I'm just going to scroll around here. I'm going to scroll around, and the people that, again, are commenting over in the chat room, the people that are posting alerts, the people that are, again, involved in the stocks here, those are the people that deserve to win this anyway. So I'm just scrolling around. Whoever the mouse stops on is who it wins on. In 3, 2, 1. Who is this? D. Sarley, first winner. Right there. Scrolling on up again. We are going again here, team. The people that comment in chat, the people that alert in chat, the people that are here in chat, the people that are posting alerts and comments and helping everyone out, these are the people that deserve to win. So we're going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and we're stopping right here. Jesus, you are the winner. So we got Jesus, we got winner, and we have D. Sarley, winner. So again, we got 2 winners over in the chat room right now, ready to go. We got Jesus, and we also got D. Sarley. All right, guys, last little chance. For the next 10 seconds, over in chat, you can spam the chat room, and I'm going to pick a winner. First person I see in the next 10 seconds, I'm going to open my eyes in 10 seconds from now. 5, 4, whoever I see first, I'm just picking. 3, 2, 1. First name, Ricardo. First name I saw was Ricardo. Ricardo, you're the winner. So Ricardo, you are the winner. That was the first name I saw. First name I saw was Ricardo. And what I'm very happy about, guys. Hold on a second. I'm bringing it over the chat right here. All right. Hey. Calm down. Hey. Shh. It's okay. Easy. It's over. Everyone just relax. Hey, that was my bad. All right, hey, guys. Everyone stop typing now. Giovanni, stop typing. Everyone just relax. That was my fault. Cherry, stop typing. Everyone just calm down. It's all right. You're in a safe spot. It's over now. All right, it's over. There's no more winners here. All right. That was my fault, chat. I apologize. So that's over now. We don't have to go it again. Giovanni. All right, I'm just going to mute Giovanni here for a little bit just to get him to shut the heck up, and then we'll let you go in a little bit, Giovanni, okay? So anyone that's kind of going a little too crazy, I'm just going to mute them for now. Just put them in a little timeout, spank their internet bottoms, and then again, we'll get them back. All right? So we're just, Giovanni, I still love you, but we're just going to put you in a little bit of a timeout here. Okay. Now, traders, let's get ready and let's head on over here, get a couple different winners. So we actually have a few winners right now over in chat. Who do we have? We have Jesus, we have D. Sarley, and we have Ricardo. So those are our 3 winners over on Tradecaster.com. All right, those are 3 winners over on Tradecaster.com. Let's get a winner over on YouTube at this moment. And again, it's kind of tough to be able to, just get a winner. I'm just going to do the same exact thing, guys. As I said, let me close this poll. I just want to make it as random as possible. I love you guys. I'm just going to leave my mouse right here. Okay, I'm leaving my mouse right here. And whenever I say stop, whoever's name is on that mouse is who I'm going to be, again, giving this prize away to. So here we go. Over on YouTube in the matter of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I saw Tandem Twins. Tandem Twins, you are the winner. Don't got to look anymore. Tandem Twins, you were the first person I saw on that mouse right there. So Tandem Twins, you are going to be, again, being able to spin that wheel. All right, Tandem Twins. You're all set, ready to go then, Tandem. Shout out to you. Tandem, you're locked and loaded over here. All right, guys. Now I do want to be able to bring one on over on TikTok as well. TikTok, where you at? TikTok, you guys good to go? I want to get you guys all good over on TikTok. And everyone just go ahead, spam it if you guys need to. And I'm picking a winner over on TikTok at this moment. I'm picking a winner right now. I'm taking a look at 3, 2, 1. And I got Blink. I got Blink over here. BLINCC. Blink is the winner. All right, so I got Blink as the winner. All right, team. So we are all set. We got all of our winners. Let me write down these winners right now because I got them all. So we do got D. Sarli as a winner. D. Sarli as a winner. We do have Jesus as a winner. We do have Ricardo as a winner. We also have Twins as a winner. And we have Blink as a winner. All right. All right. Guys, everyone here, I need, again, everyone quiet for this. I need everyone quiet except for our winners because this is going to be a very exciting time. This is going to be absolutely awesome. This is going to be absolutely great. And I'm so fired up for these guys right here because we are going to, again, introduce them to a wheel where anything can happen, where anything's possible, where anything could be able to come out, right? So, I'm fired on up. I'm looking forward to this absolutely huge time where anything can happen. We could be able to see massive wins. We could see, again, massive losses. We could see people coming out on top here. All right. Let's do it. So, what we have at this moment here, traders, is we are going to be taking a look. And I'm asking you guys, give me a number between 1 to 10. All the winners. The winners. How many times? Give me a number 1 to 10 on what I'm going to click this mouse at. So Blink, give me a number 1 to 10. Twins, give me a number 1 to 10. Tradecaster members who won, D. Sarli and such, Jesus, Ricardo, give me a number 1 to 10. And that number is the number that you are locked in at. So please let me know what you guys are all set. RJ, you got $250 already. So RJ, you're already set, $250. Ricardo wants 7 spins. D. Sarli wants 5 spins. Jesus wants 7. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then let me go ahead and take a look over here. Twins, how many spins you want? Twins wants 8 spins. And Blank, what do you want, Blank? I'm trying to get you over here. Blank wants 6 spins. All right, traders. Now let's see. We got all of them locked in here. Now, are you guys excited to see what the profits could be? Are you guys excited what these people can win at this moment? Let's see at this moment, at this time, what they could be doing. And I'll let you know right now, RJ. RJ says, hey, Dek, I want to spin the wheel. RJ, I'm going to ask you right now, do you want to sacrifice your $250, RJ, to spin the wheel? You were a winner from the Santa giveaway. Do you want to sacrifice your $250 for a chance to spin the wheel? What do you want to do, RJ? Yes or no? If you say yes, give me a number. If you say no, I'll give you $250 straight on up. It's up to you, RJ. What's the prize? Hey, I'm not telling you right now. You think I'm going to show you? No way. RJ, yes or no? Do you want $250 or do you want to spin the wheel? That's up to you right now. RJ says, nope, I don't want to spin the wheel. RJ, just confirming you don't want to spin the wheel. You'd rather have $250 in cash? Just want to confirm it. Just want to confirm it. So RJ, just confirm with me. Yeah, you want $250 instead. All right. So awesome. Cool, cool, cool. RJ says, hey, Dek, I just want to go ahead and I just want $250. So guys, we can applaud that. Can we applaud that right there? Can we applaud that? You know, RJ just taking some $250 in cash. So now let's see what the prizes are over on the wheel. Let's see what we have over on the wheel at this moment. Because I want to give back to you guys, as I said. So let's see what we have. We already have our numbers put on in. We already know what we're spinning here. These are the prizes of the wheel. We have $100 in cash. We have a trip to Las Vegas. We have nothing. We have $1,000 in cash. We have a lifetime access to Tradecaster valued at over $3,000. We have $250 in cash, $500 in cash. We have nothing. We have a brand new computer. We have an iPhone. We have an Xbox. We have a PlayStation. We have nothing. We have 3 months of Tradecaster. We have 2 months of Tradecaster. We have right here, cut the music, girl. We have a naked picture of myself, 100% framed in sterling gold. Then we have 1 penny and $100 in cash. So traders, we got some big gifts here. We got $1,000 in cash. We have brand new computer, Xboxes, PlayStation, iPhone, $500 in cash, lifetime access, trip to Las Vegas. Traders, whatever it lands on, I'm giving you. Whatever it lands on, I'm giving you. Let me ask you, is this a good wheel? Is this a good wheel? Are you guys happy with these prizes? I'm giving this out of my own money right here and saying, hey, I support you guys. You guys support me. I support you guys. I want to be able to give away, you know, some fun stuff to you guys here. So, let's see where we're at here. Giving it some good prizes to these traders. And we are going to start off here with Ricardo. Tradecaster members, we're going to Ricardo, DeSarly, Jesus. Ricardo asked for 7 spins. Ricardo asked for 7 spins. And Ricardo, whatever this lands on, you are going to be taking home. So, let's do this. In the matter of 3, 2, 1. Oh, hold on. I want to kind of stop the music here for a second. Build up the suspense. Ricardo, let's see what you walk away with. In the matter of 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ricardo. Hey! Lifetime access to Tradecaster.com. Valued over $3,000. Just got himself an absolutely awesome prize. Shout out to you, Ricardo. Lifetime access. As long as you want to be here, you are set to go over on Tradecaster.com. Shout out to you, buddy. Absolutely great. So again, Ricardo never has to pay again to Tradecaster access. You are all set here, Ricardo. Shout out to you, buddy. Congratulations on that. So let's move on to the next person here. Let's see what we have on DeSarly here. DeSarly coming on up here next. Now let's see what we got over on DeSarly. DeSarly getting fired on up. DeSarly wanted 5 spins. Ricardo, you're all set. Congratulations to you. DeSarly wants 5 spins. Let's see what we got over on DeSarly here. 5 spins, 5 spins, 5 spins in the matter of 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. DeSarly going for big money. DeSarly wants it. DeSarly wants it. DeSarly with $250 in cash right here. Nothing wrong with a little bit of free money. DeSarly walking away with some cash here.
Everybody move. Dance, you know. That man coming at you. We just want to pick up QTB. Bob Sinclair.
DeSarly. Shout out to you, buddy. Amazing job. Amazing work. All right, team. Let's keep this party going. It's a good wheel today, baby. It's a good wheel today, baby. Let's see what we got. Let's keep this party going over here. All right, traders. We got Jesus. Next up in the board right here, Jesus with 7 spins. Over to Jesus. Let's see what we got, Jesus. Over on Tradecaster.com. Let's see what we got. Team, let's bring this on down here. All right, let me grab this. Man, we got a good wheel going at this time. I'm going to bring over the chat as well. All right, team. And this is what you guys get when you guys, again, are a part of Tradecaster. When you guys support Tradecaster.com, you guys get to have all this awesome stuff right here. We always like to, again, give back to our members, give back to our team. And, of course, getting ready for Black Friday, we want to be able to say, hey, thank you for all the members that are here over on Tradecaster.com. So we have Jesus next, and Jesus wants 7 spins. So let's give him 7 spins here. In the matter of 3, 2, 1... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jesus coming at you live here. And we have free 2 months of Tradecaster.com. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Hey, everyone's running hot right now. Everyone's running hot at this moment. Keeping this momentum going. We have a lifetime access. We have $250. And now we have 2 months of Tradecaster access. All right, guys. Hey, Tradecaster members, you guys are good right there. Bada boom, bada good. Now let's head on over towards, again, YouTube. Over on YouTube, we had Twins. Twins, you still with me over on YouTube right here? Twins, how many spins did you want again? Just want to make sure that you guys are all good. Twins, how many spins did you want? Just want to confirm over here because I don't want to mess up your spins. You mess up the spins again, then people die for that type of stuff. Twins wants 8 spins. All right, let's see what you got here. Let's see what you got, Twins. Calvin, SPY dumping. Guys, I'm trying to give away money here, okay? I'm trying to give away as much money as I can, so we're going to get back to that in a second. But today's a day of giving back to the team. I didn't just post myself with a face of Bob Barker for nothing. We are, again, getting ready to go. So, here we go. We're giving 8 spins away to this man we call Twins over on YouTube. And here we go in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are Twins gonna be coming out on top?
Up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to...
All right. We'll see what we got here. Twins. We'll see what we can do for Twins here. Twins, we'll see what we got for you. Hey, we're going to take a second here. Regather, recoup. See what we have here. Oh, hold on a second. RJ coming out of left field right now. RJ at this moment says, Dek, I want to split my $250 with Twins. Can we just... Guys, is this what Christmas is all about? RJ comes out of left field and goes, I don't even know who Twins is, but I want to give Twins half of my $250. Guys, I mean, it's just... Is this what Christmas is all about? Look at this. Oh, man. What an accident. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Twins. Guys, what an absolutely beautiful thing. Guys, I mean, that is absolutely awesome, but too bad that violates the destiny of wheel spinning, and I'm not going to allow that. RJ, that's all yours, Twins. You ain't getting nothing. Oh, you can't break the rules. You can't break the rules. You landed on nothing. You get nothing, sir. All right, let's see who's up next. All right, let's get ready to go here. So, let's see what we have. I'm just kidding, Twins. I'll split it with you if you want it. If you don't want it, you don't get it. But I will say, you will get it. All right. So if RJ, if you want to do that, and Twins, if you want to accept it, you can. If you don't want to accept it, you don't have to. All up to you. It's all good. No, I would allow it. All right. Well, we have one final spin here, traders. Can we do a little recap right now? Can we do a little recap at this moment? We have had so far at this time, we have given away $250 to RJ. We gave away $250 to someone else. We gave away a lifetime membership to Ricardo, and we gave away 2 free months of TradeCaster access. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the kickoff of December. Where, again, being part of this community, it's not just you guys are just following random stock alerts throughout the day. That's not what we do. We are here, we are a team, we are a family, we give back to you. We try to give you everything you need to be successful, and also every day to make it fun. Every single day have it be a party, and every single day you guys, of course, enjoy the show. That's what we do here, traders, making sure you guys are understanding why Tradecaster.com, why this live stream is the #1 live stream in the world. That's why, again, we are so big, so popular, because we put you guys first. So, traders, awesome job, awesome work, and let's see what we have going on for Blink. Blink, you want 6 All right, 6 spins. We got Blink going live right here, and you got 6 here. All right, 6 spins. Blink, the final one here. Let's see what we got for Blink at this time. All right, everyone, let's get set, ready to rock and roll. See what this comes on out to. See where, of course, we're going to be heading towards next. Man, this has been so fun. This has been so great. And let's see where this action is going to be taking us in the matter of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go, Blink. Here we go, Blink. Here we go, Blink. Here we go, Blink. Here we go. Blink. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I'm kind of mixed feelings right now. Mixed feelings. You got something. Profit be profit. Profit. Not bad. Hey, profit's profit. Got something out of nothing. Better than nothing. Better than nothing right here. I want to just, really quickly, RJ, what number would you have taken? Because RJ confirmed he wanted that $250. RJ, what number would you have said? I just want to play the what if game. What number would you have said if you said, Dek, I didn't want $250. I wanted to go ahead and spin the wheel. What number would you have picked, RJ? Just kind of curious. I would have taken lucky 6. All right. I just want to see what you would have landed on. Let's just hypothetically spin the wheel, see what you would have landed on. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just see what RJ would have gotten. Let's see what RJ would have gotten. Up to you if you like to play Xbox or not. You can use your head if that was a good call, if that was a bad call. But I mean, hey, we've had some awesome gifts here, team. We've had some also good trades here. We've had some awesome stuff here. You know, we had a trip to Las Vegas. Didn't get hit this time. You know, just kind of throwing this out here. You know, we have it where we do have, obviously, there is the nothing, which is never fun. We also do have our, oh man, this is the one I wanted to win. This is the grand prize. Traders, you guys don't understand. We've only had one person ever win this before, and it's really kind of, you know, discouraging because the amount of work I put into this picture. I've had the lights set up, the studio set up, the makeup artist set on up. You guys ever see the Titanic where, again, you know, Jack paints Rose? I'm in a similar position on the couch, and I just, for whoever wins this, I cannot wait to send it to you. So I have it all locked up. You know, I'm actually staring at it right now. It's like, it's such a good piece of work. It's not a picture. It's more than that. It's art. So the thing is, team, you know, when someone does win that one, that's going to be an amazing gift for Christmas, especially around the family. So, hey, guys, can we clap it up right now? Can we clap it up for all the traders that just won some profits, for everyone who just won some great stuff? We gave away lifetime access. We gave away $500. We gave away 2 free months, and we gave away $25 in cash. Can again we clap this on up here, traders? Clap it on up in the chat room. Everyone spam the chat room with some emoji claps, with some gifs. And also, if you guys are over on YouTube, smash that thumbs on up. If you guys are on TikTok, click that follow button. And for all of our winners, please email me at dekmartrades@gmail.com. If you are a winner, send me again a screenshot of your profile letting me know that it is you, and I'll be able to hook you up with your prizes. So again, please email me at dekmartrades@gmail.com so I can again give you your prizes. Just again, you know, send me some verification that it's you and it is proof of you so that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll. So we are all set, ready to rock. Oh, we just want to have some fun here. Now also, traders, as we again are talking about this right here, if you guys want to be able to join where our December is where we're going to be doing stuff like this every single week. Again, a perfect time to be able to join, as you guys know, is going to be on Black Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, for anyone who does not know this, Black Friday is one of our only sales of the year. It's our biggest sale of the year, and this Black Friday is the biggest sale we have ever had in our existence of TradeCaster. What we're doing is we are giving 40% off Instead of lifetime memberships being $3,200, they are now $1,900. Instead of annual subscriptions being $1,700, they are slightly over $1,000. Instead of a 6-month membership being $870, it's $522. And instead of a monthly membership being $174, it's $105. Now I'm going to let you guys know that this is a one-time fee, and then it's back to normal prices. So a monthly membership does not stay at $105. It's $105 once, then back up to $174. Semi-annual is $522 once, then back up to $870. So if you guys want to get the best deal, the lifetime is saving you over $1,300. If you want to do the annual membership, it's saving you over $700. So again, make sure that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll, to join this amazing community and be part of this team. Also, if you guys are on Tradecaster now and want to upgrade, all you guys have to do is click whatever subscription you want, and it will cancel your old one and bring you your new one. So you guys don't have to do anything. If you're already a Tradecaster member and plan on going up to the lifetime or up to the annual, it will cancel your old one and give you the new one so that you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll. So I'm so pumped about Black Friday to be able to give you guys these massive discounts, give you guys these massive deals. These are deals that we have never had before, but it does come down to first come, first serve. The first 100 people that sign up are getting 40% off. The next 100 people are getting 35% off. And then by the end of Black Friday, it's at 30% off by the rest of the weekend. So if you guys want to be the first one ready to go, it is 7 p.m. on Tradecaster.com. You guys will be all set, ready to rock. I'm also going to be sending you guys emails and also be posting it on my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram. So make sure that you guys are ready. 7 o'clock on Thanksgiving. That's when Black Friday goes live for, again, the 40% off sale. It's probably going to go pretty quickly, so make sure that you guys are ready. And then after that, it drops down to 35% and then 30% for the rest of the weekend. So I'm really pumped on up. Black Friday, biggest sale of the year. Do not miss it, traders. So, awesome job, awesome works. Guru, what happens to the lifetime if you stop trading? Guys, someone asked me that before, saying, Dek, your lifetime membership, what happens if you stop trading? The thing is, I'll tell you guys this right now. I have now been trading for 10 years. The Black Friday sale is equivalent now to 1 year. So basically, if you pay for a Black Friday sale, you're basically paying for about a year and a half of Tradecaster access. I will tell you right now, I have zero plans on stopping and trading until I'm probably 50 years old, 55 years old, 60 years old. Right now, I'm 30. I've been trading for the past 10 years. I am going to be trading for probably the next 25 years plus. So I have zero intentions, zero stopping, zero nothing over on Tradecaster. And also, Tradecaster membership gives you access to not only my live stream, but all of our other live streams as well. So not only do you have access to my live stream, you have access to every live stream. You also have access to the entire video library. So you have access to the live streams, my chat, video library, and everyone else's live stream. And I'll tell you right now, I plan on live streaming for a very long time. So you guys don't have to worry about that in any sort of way. So make sure that we're all set, ready to go here. But yeah, I absolutely love working with you guys. You guys are fantastic. So make sure you guys send me those emails if you guys won, and we'll be all set, ready to go here. All right, boom, boom, boom. Traders, let's get back to this market now. Whew! Let's get back to this market. Let's talk about this market, and let's get ready to rock. All right, guys. Hey, one final time. If you guys enjoyed today, if you guys are ready for December, if you guys are taking advantage of the Black Friday sales, hit me with a good old Dekmar trades. Woo! Just so I know that you guys are fired up for, again, December, 4 more giveaways just like that, and of course, for Black Friday. And obviously, let me see you right now in the chat room if you guys want to get chosen next, because if you guys, again, want to be picked to go to Las Vegas, if you guys want to be picked to win a free $1,000, to win an Xbox, to win this money, again, I want to see you guys talking in chat. That's how you guys win. So awesome, awesome work. Franco, Dek, I'm a lifetime member. It's been the best journey and the best investment I've ever made. Shout out to you, Franco. Hey, awesome, awesome work. Thank you so much. Team, what do we say? NVDA, a little bit of a drop. Traders, you guys do not need to be concerned here. Okay, I'm just giving everyone that heads on up. All right, you do not have to be concerned with NVDA until probably later on this afternoon. What did I say this morning? NVDA, guys, it's spiking. No, it's not. It's going to come right back down to 500. Dek, you're missing out. NVDA is dumping. No, it's not. It's going to go right back up to 500. So I'm telling you guys this every single time. It's just going to be sitting right next towards this 500 area. You're not going to, again, see... You're not going to see massive dumps before the earnings, and you guys are not going to see a massive spike before the earnings. The earnings report right here and right now, this is where everyone is going to be, of course, watching and focusing on. So earnings reports come out at 4 o'clock tonight. NVDA is not going to be moving much until 4 o'clock. The S&P 500 is not going to be moving much until 4 o'clock. S&P 500 might get a slight little downtrend, but it's probably going to be sitting right around that VWAP until right around that 4 o'clock mark. So S&P 500, NVDA, these are all going to be moving towards around that 4 o'clock region. Could you have made a quick dollar if you nailed the dump? Sure. Can I nail a quick little call contract back up to 500? Yeah, you definitely probably could. But it's going to be, guys, like this throughout the rest of this day. So that's why I wanted to do this giveaway today before people start, kind of disappearing for the holiday. I wanted to kind of talk about this and make sure that we get to give away some awesome gifts to all you guys. So shout out to you guys. And also, yeah, if you guys ever, get these huge profits and you guys tweet me, I love, again, showing off you guys. I love retweeting you. I love posting you on my story. So if you guys ever do have anything along those lines and want to tweet me, please let me know. I love, again, resharing your stuff. KF, are you waiting for the last 10 minutes of the market to get in on NVDA? Correct. I am leaning towards, at this moment, guys, NVDA, call contracts, overnight, small account, going for it. So that's what I'm leaning towards at this time. Right now, as for Dek, what about like a normal day trade? I don't think I'm going to just be doing a normal day trade today, just because I just don't see that there's enough hype in this market, because we are getting close to the holiday, and I'm letting you guys know every single person is going to be waiting and watching for NVDA's earnings. NVDA's earnings is the hype of the hype right now. Every single person is talking about it. So you guys can, even if you want to go over to, let's say, Twitter, if you guys want to go over to StockTwits, everyone's just talking about NVDA, NVDA, NVDA. I wouldn't even be surprised if it was like, trending for me. So NVDA. Let's see what some of the top stuff is right now. NVDA is being sued after an engineer during a video conference call with his former employee, showing a file. Okay, NVDA earnings will be released at 4:20 today. Here are the expected numbers. So I'm actually going to retweet this for you guys, because I think that's nice that you guys have the expected numbers versus what you guys need. So NVDA, that's where we're at. NVDA stock futures drift lower ahead of Fed's minutes. NVDA earnings. We have a little bit of some AI technology getting some things going over here. Okay. NVDA. So yeah, a lot of NVDA talk going into today, guys. A lot of NVDA talk going into today, but I do think a lot's going to be pretty flat. So we will see where, of course, this momentum is going to take us. And yeah, traders, I mean, I'm going to jump back on the mic, of course, later on this afternoon, and we'll come up with a decision on what we have to do. Dek, are you 100% going to be jumping in overnight? I'm not going to confirm anything and say 100%. I do want to see the prices of the contracts. That is going to be a very big deciding factor. Like, for instance, guys, if, again, the prices of the contracts are so expensive I can't even afford them on a small account, then yes, that is going to be a deciding factor where it's like, okay, wait until tomorrow, then try to get a bigger move out of that play. What are you guys seeing on your end? Are contracts already kind of fluffed up too much? Are contract prices already a little bit like juiced up, like to the extreme? Because I'm telling you right now, everyone's buying them. So a lot of option contracts are kind of outpricing very small accounts. Moki, their highest crap right now. Okay, that sounds pretty high if you ask me. So yeah, that's the kind of the tough thing. Joke, do you see a possibility to swing the SPY following NVDA? Whichever way NVDA goes, it's probably going to drag the SPY with it. NVDA is going to move in one direction, and probably the SPY and all these other blue chips are probably going to get dragged with it. So yes, that is true. Dek, is there a Fed meeting today? Let me go ahead and take a look. Economic calendar. I believe there is a minutes meeting at 2 o'clock. So I believe that's like the next big thing. Tuesday, yeah, we do have a minutes meeting at 2 o'clock. So at 2 o'clock, we could definitely see some hype. 2 o'clock, we could definitely see some movement. And at 2 o'clock, we could definitely, see a little bit of action. Any SPY suggestions today? Same exact thing as NVDA. You're not going to get a lot of movement today. All right, traders? Everything you do today, cut in half. Tomorrow, do a quarter of. Okay? I know I've said it a million times, but these big holidays, not tomorrow, but on Thursday, we have a massive holiday in the United States, Thanksgiving. I feel like there's some holidays that people don't like. I feel like everyone enjoys Thanksgiving. I'm not going to say it's your favorite holiday, but I'm saying, hey, you know what? You got football on, we get fed, we have big turkeys, and usually spend around time with your fire and friends, right? Family, friends, sitting around a fireplace, watching a little football and eating some shrimp cocktail. To me, it's a pretty good holiday. And I know a lot of other people, again, enjoy it as well. And this is usually a time that people like to travel. We will see the stock market be a little slower. Now, I know if you guys are over in Europe, you guys don't celebrate Thanksgiving. If you guys are in Australia, if you guys are in Canada, it's an American thing. But we take it serious, okay? Cody just got my turkey imported. Nice. That's what I do as well, guys. I always get my, turkeys imported from up north, Nova Scotia, where, again, they have been breeding turkeys for hundreds of generations. Always the best of the best. It costs roughly around $15,000 a turkey, but let me tell you guys, it's worth it, okay? Tommy, is it better than Christmas? Please. Don't even get me started. Christmas is by far the best holiday in the world. There's nothing better than Christmas. The people, the excitement, the joy in the air. Celebrate Jesus. It's incredible. Absolutely love Christmas. All right, now we're all set. Primitive trading didn't mean to say the F word. No problem, buddy. I appreciate it. But I know, pretty shocking. Nova Scotia turkeys do get a little expensive. Trader, so what is basically like the schedule the rest of the day? Schedule the rest of the day, we're probably going to be jumping off the live stream here pretty soon. And then on top of that, guys, we will be watching the SPY for the Fed's meet. It's at 2 o'clock. And then really the showtime today. If you're saying, Dek, what time showtime? 4:20. Hey, for anyone that's jumping in over on NVDA today or NVDA later on today, if I don't see you guys later on, like YouTube or TikTok, good luck. I'm wishing you the absolute best, and I hope if you are jumping in, you crush it. Good luck for anyone that is jumping over on NVDA. Really excited about it. S&P 500 kind of slowing on down a little bit. Wanted to do a little bit of a giveaway, and we are going to be getting ready to kind of wrap this thing on up and getting ready to see what's going to come up at 2 o'clock, and then on top of that, see what's going to be coming on up at 4:20 for NVDA earnings. Let's do it, team. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's a little bit early right now, but as I said, everything's going to be moving sideways. What I would rather have you guys do at this moment is going to be study up in the video library. I want you guys, of course, asking questions. I want to throw on some video library lessons for you to be able to continue to grow and continue to learn. And then on top of that, if you guys do have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I'm here for you, and I cannot wait to help. Black Friday goes live on Thursday. Tomorrow is the last day. Tomorrow is the last day, traders. It is going to be a quicker day. It is going to be a shorter day tomorrow as well, just because the holiday is basically starting to take an effect on this market. And then as we move in December, guys, what do you guys know? As you move in December, what's coming on up? Yes, December and all that stuff, but what else comes on up? The Santa Claus rally. So it is known that usually the second week of December kicks off the Santa Claus rally, where we are supposed to see what we just saw again in November in December. So we do have the Santa Claus rally kicking things on off. Santa Claus rally getting exciting, and I'm pumped. So traders, December is going to be just as hot as November. I hope you guys are ready for that. Team, thank you so much for everyone who has joined us on this absolutely amazing day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your lunch hours, and I will be live over on Tradecaster.com getting ready to go here. Of course, for those NVDA earnings, we'll talk about a game plan as we get a little bit closer for NVDA earnings, and I just want to say thank you so much as always. Traders, get ready to rock and roll. I'll see you guys this afternoon. Help me finish this thing on off. Let's do it, team, in the matter of 3, 2, 1. Ah! ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for NVDA earnings tonight. 4:20. I'll be back on the mic right around 3 o'clock, getting everyone dialed in and ready to go as we always do. Awesome work, team. Awesome job. I'll see you then.